Hello, my name is Nikhilesh Gupta. I'm 9 years old, studying in Vidyashilp Academy, Bangalore, class 4C. I'll be demonstrating about air pressure and how to fit a balloon with water inside it into a bottle. So I have two balloons onto two of the bottle's rims. And I'll be taking this balloon first. Let's see what happens when I blow it. I can't blow it. It's because air has taken space inside this bottle. Air's over there. It's everywhere. And it's inside this bottle. It took space and that's why when I blow, air pressure pushes the air from this balloon outside from the hole. So let's see what happens when I use this balloon. I'm able to blow it. Why? Because there is a hole, as you can see over here, and when I blow, the balloon is pushing the air outside the hole into this room and air pressure is also, when I blow, inside the balloon. That's why when I blow, it blows and then comes back because air pressure comes back inside the hole and pushes the air in the balloon out. So I'll keep my finger on the I'll blow and then keep my finger on the hole. Let's see what happens now. It stayed because when I blow, the air rushed outside the hole, and then when I straight away kept my finger on it, air can't just come back in because there's no holes or anywhere for it to come. And air pressure, as you know, is in this bottle, which makes it stay like this. It pushes down, and that's why you can see it like that. So now I'll be showing you how to keep water inside this balloon and blow it and make it in this bottle. So first, as you know, you blow it, get some water, be careful, don't spill. And if I leave my finger, the air will rush back in and push the air inside, as well as the water out of the hole. And I don't think anyone wants that to happen. So I'll just do this, tie the thing, because it already spluttered a little bit. I'll have to be careful. Oh man. You put it. It's in the bottle. So now you know about air pressure and how to keep a balloon inside the bottle with water inside it. Thank you.